Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make mini Podi Dosa. For that I have prepared mini dosas here and ready. Heat the tawa and pour the dosa batter like this. Spoonful of batter is sufficient. Ghee I am drizzling. Cook from both the sides. Flip it. Time to remove this. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil. Put little mustard seeds. When it's splutter, add few curry leaves, pinch of asafoetida, 2-3 teaspoon of gunpowder, that is idli milagai podi, and add the mini dosas in it. Mix well. Our mini podi dosa is ready. Serve hot. If you want more spice, you can add chili powder in this. Also addition, you can add shallots. It will give a good taste. This can be given as a snack in the tiffin box for the children. Finally, garnish with some coriander leaves. Giving to the children, you can make alphabets. It will really attract them and they will willingly have it. Our mini podi dosa is ready to serve. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.